Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon soup. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of thick-cut bacon, 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Also, have 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour ready. Dice your vegetables finely and cut the bacon into half-inch pieces for even cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, cook your diced bacon over medium heat until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon, placing it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain, but leave about 2 tablespoons of the delicious bacon fat in the pot. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery to the pot, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are softened. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, cooking for 1 minute to form a roux. Next, it's time to build the soup's body. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of chicken broth, making sure to incorporate it slowly to avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until your vegetables are perfectly tender. Finally, stir in 1 cup of whole milk. Heat the soup through until it's warm and creamy, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can curdle the milk. Your delicious bacon soup is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls, and then sprinkle the reserved crispy bacon bits over the top for a delightful crunch and extra flavor. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.